Good day! For today's episode, gagawa po tayo ng chicken steak with egg and rice. But before we proceed, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Now, let's proceed to our ingredients and the procedure. Our ingredients, guys, we have 300 grams na chicken, naka-slice. Then, we have also fried garlic, we have butter, assorted spices, siling mahaba, red bell pepper, at saka sibuyas. Then mayroon din tayong pang marinate. We have soy sauce, nilagyan po natin ng sugar, kunting asin, at saka kaya dyan lemon. Now let's proceed to the procedure. We're going to mix this one. Yan. Mamarinate po natin ito sa loob ng ilang minuto, tapos ipiprito po natin hanggang magkakaroon ng Maillard reaction. Ito po natin, guys, ang ating chicken. Ayan, hanggang magiging red po siya. Konting brown pala. Ayan. Hanggang mamula-pula siya. Tingnan natin, guys, kung may Maillard reaction na ba. Ayan, may Maillard reaction na din. So, i-click na po natin. Tingnan nyo, perfect na perfect, guys. May Maillard reaction na po siya. So, lulutuin ko yung kanila hanggang maluto. Kaluluto na po, i-remove na po natin sa ating wok. Gawin na po natin hanggang lumapot po ito. Ayan, guys, so tingnan na po, guys, malapot na po siya. So ilagay na po natin ito sa ating sisilan ng ating na-prepare na gravy. Init na sizzling plate, maglagay po tayo ng rice. Ayan, ilagay po natin ang ating chicken sa gilid. Guys, chicken at the side. At saka maglagay tayo ng itlog sa gilid. Ayan. Ilagay po natin ang ating mainit na gravy. Ayan, galit na galit po siya, guys. Woo! Ayan, napakasarap po. Ayan. Chicken stick with egg and rice. Kadis. Alright. Napakasarap na chicken steak with egg and rice. It looks delicious and nutritious. Very nice. Natin, guys, ang different spices, onion, garlic, and siling mahaba with fried garlic. Sarap. Chicken steak with egg and rice. So yummy.